What's up, everybody? It's Legal Tender coming at you with another little video. All right, so on this little video, I will be showing you how I wrap it up. All right, so you're gonna need a couple items first. First off, you're gonna need something to wrap up. Then you're gonna need something to wrap it in. And I got this cloth right here. So bear with me. All right, first off, thank everybody for the love and support on the channels. All right, so when I get these via my eBay purchases, they're kind of stiff. So put some in there, loosen it up a little bit. And if you got sweaty phalanges, that's why I use this cloth. Because if you get any liquid inside, it could compromise the note, not by much, but it'll just make it real sticky in regards to sticking to the plastic. All right, so that's what we got like that. Put the bill. Want to edge it in there. Now sometimes they just slide right down, but something that you could do, get it in there, tap it on the desk. And now, you know, I wrapped up that weasel. Again, these the plastic protectors, the sleeve protectors that I like to use. So that's what I got. All right, so that is today's tip. All right, till next time, keep it legal, keep it tender. Talk to you soon.